All right, guys, let's get started. Today, we got a lot going on today. I got my car ready. Probably can't see it because it's too dark. All right, let's get started. So, welcome back. I got my camera going. I also have my Uber light up going as well too. And let's go ahead and get started. So today is Friday, October 18th, and it is 6:54. I got my camera ready to go, and before we do that, let's hit go. So that way we can start picking up our rides. All right, we're online, and we got a lot of people going on. Let's see, opportunities. What's going on out here today? Airport only, sign up. We may be in the area. Let's just hit it. You never know. And if we're not, we're not. But let's try to get them. All right, guys. Limited time. So we got to make as much money as we can. And so on this episode, I'm going to pick them. You're going to let me know, what would you do? Would you have picked it or would you have not? Okay? But I'm going to pick them so we can hurry up and get ready and get out. And I'll update you and let you know where we're going. All right? I'm trying to get out of the area. So as we pick them, as we pick them, we're going to look at the mileage and the time, and then you're going to let me know whether you would have got it or not. All right, let's go. I'm going to pick it up so we can get going. It's a little bit longer. See that? 16 miles to get there, 6 minutes, 30 minutes total for $10. Let me know. All right, guys, so I did pick that one up and I did drop it off. It was about $10, but when I was coming this way, I picked up another one for $21. I don't know how far it is though, but I'm still picking them up. So it gave me, and right now it's 7:25. So by 8 o'clock, that should give me like 31. Is that right? So I'm trying to get at least $35 an hour. So anyways, I picked that one up. So would you have picked it up? And I'll actually show it to you as well too. I'll put the mileage and the distance on there once it allows me to. But anyways, just want to let you know, is number 2. Let's go, 7:25. All right, guys. So by the way, after I dropped off that other one, it took me like 5 minutes to get to this one. And $21, and we'll see where it takes us. All right. All right, guys, we just dropped her off, and it's 8:06. So she had to take a bus. It was like close. Now there's another one. That one paid me $21. They may give me a tip. Well, no. But she was super happy because we almost didn't make it. We got to go through tolls, HOVs, and now this one right here, I picked up another one. It's like pay me $10, but 5 minutes away. So I'm like, all right, let's do this. See how much we can make. Let's go. Alrighty, I just dropped that one off. That was $10, and I picked up another one. This one's $20. It is 8:30. Come on, we got to keep on going. All right, I'll update you. So would you have taken that one? That one took me a little bit longer. This one is about 40 minutes and is $20. I'm taking it. But would you take it? And I'll show you the mileage and everything on there at the very end. All right, guys, don't forget, would you have taken this ride? Let's go. So that driver didn't show. Paid me like $4, I think. So anyways, just kind of let you know. And then right now I'm at $45. Southwest Freeway. Oh, you know what? Is that one? It's actually going outside where I want to go. So I'll update you and let you know. Would you take that one? 21 minutes out the way? All right, guys, I'll update you, let you know. I picked up this one because it's going toward my direction where I'm trying to get to, and I'll update you. All right, guys. All right, that one, take it. I'll take that one. Oh, wait. I don't know what happened. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Let's see. Okay, I think probably I don't know which one I'm picking up. All right, I'll update you. It's getting me closer to where I want to be. Would you have taken that one? All right. All right, we just finished dropping him off, and we're at $54, and it's $9.17. All right, I'm gonna go take a lunch break, or I'm sorry, a brunch break. Brunch break. Anyways, and I'll come right back and start making some more. But all right, I'm gonna see if I can get one more before I do, and I'll update you. All right, guys, let's go. Well, just to let you know, I had to have breakfast, and I'm gonna pick it up and have breakfast. All right, guys, I'll update you. It's 9:30 right now. I'll update you whenever I complete my breakfast, probably about an hour, and then we'll get started. We got to make some money today. So right now, it made so far, what's that, 54 so far. We should be about that, because I try to make at least 100 by 12 and then 200 for the rest of the day, or by 4. And then, but anyways, just letting you know, we're still on track. We got to make it happen. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just finished breakfast, brunch, and it is $11.17, $54, and we got to go. We got to make some things happen. All right, took a little bit longer, but it's all right. We're getting back on it, and we're trying to make it happen. I'll update you when we get there. All right, guys, I just picked this one up. This right here is 6 minutes to pick them up, and then 17 minutes to drop them off. It's $11. I'll update you and let you know. All right, guys. All right, I just finished dropping that one off. How much that one paid me? $11. And now I'm on to another one. I'll update you and let you know the mileage and the time, but I just picked this one up, and this one was another one that was $12. All right, guys. And then when we're going through them, I'm gonna put the mileage and the time, just so that way you would ask yourself, would I pick up this Uber ride? And let me know. All right. All right, guys. That one paid me $11.95. I almost was gonna cancel it because I couldn't find it. Anyways, it was like her new property. But check this out. Plus, she gave me a $20 tip. What? So that's like $32 for that one. And then what was that first one? Like $10, $12 tip? Or no, I'm sorry, $12 just to pick that person up and take them out there. Anyways, that was a good one. All right. Would you have picked that one? I mean, we didn't know. All right, guys. I'm going to get more and I'll update you. And also, what was funny, oh, look at this one. I got it. Hopefully. Would you have gotten that one? Oh, no. Come on. Shoot, I should have been faster. Anyways, that one that I had picked up, she wanted to sit in the front. I told her, oh, yeah, no, you got to sit in the back. And I put her in the back seat. I didn't let her sit in the front. I only let people sit in the front if I only got 3 people up here. Anyways, that's it. Oh, man, I got to keep on looking. All right, guys. All right, guys, I've been waiting for a minute. When I say a minute, I don't mean it literally a minute. I've been waiting for a minute. Nothing's been happening. All right, I got to pick up something. Next one, get me out of here. I'll update you. So first, just to let you know where I was at. I was like in this neighborhood. Ain't nobody out here. Anyways, I picked it up. So 10, 12 minutes to pick them up, 15 to drop them off. Let's go. Come on, let's just keep on going. We'll go as fast as we can and get it done. All right, guys. Would you have picked it up? Whoa, they didn't. See, they just canceled that. All right, let's go. Let's come on, find another one. Well, I guess we got our answer like that, right? All right. All right, we got another one. I think that's all that's in the area. $10 ones for 25 minutes going and coming. Well, maybe because there's a little traffic. I don't know. But we're picking it up and we're going. All right. I'll update you and let you know. And would you have picked that one? That was a good question. So 14 minutes, 10 miles to get there. And I think another 12, 13 miles, drop them off for $10. Would you have done it? Let me know and let me know why and why not. Keep in mind, it's 117 right now. And I was gonna see if it told me like the distance, like if it's busy right now in this area or what. Anyways, let me know, would you have picked it up? That's the name of the game. That's the name of this this series. Would you have picked it up? Let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one, and it says the next trip is going to be a $4 surge. We'll see what really happens. That's what they say, but we'll pick it and I'll update you and let you know. So right now we're at 93, plus we got a $20 tip. Let's go, and it's 1:53. So let's just say it's 2 o'clock. We got to keep on making this thing happen. All right, guys, I'll update you. Let's go. All right, guys, I picked me up another one. So this one is like $10 for like 18 minutes to pick them up, and then 5 minutes to drop them off. But let's see if we can do that one. But it took me out of a secluded area to a more, not popular area, but more popular area. Anyways, I took it. Would you have? All right, let me know. And this one paid $10. $10 for a total, I want to say 18 minutes. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and then I got me another one. This was paying me like $15, I think. And then I just finished dropping off this one right here, and it paid me $9.53. All right, and then this one, let me see, 9 minutes to pick them up and just pick up and a drop off. All right, I'll update you and let you know how much this one was. And would you have picked it up? $12? I mean $15? I'll let you know. All right, guys, so that one that I picked up that was like $12, he ended up being the wrong address he wanted. So it was about another 30 minutes. So it paid me a total of $32 for that one, which was like, I think it started at 12, I believe. Anyways, after we updated the new address, it charged him that, well, that's how much it paid me, $32. All right, guys, let's keep on going. Let me see where we're at. Oops, hang on. So we're at 136. And we're at 10 trips. Sometimes those brunches or lunches, sometimes you almost can't take them if you want to get ahead. All right, I got another one I just picked up. I think it was $15 and it was 30 minutes. But it's like to pick them up here, it's like it's in 5 minutes I pick them up. All right, guys, I'll update you, let you know. All right, so on this last one paid me $14 and it took like 20 minutes. So if I had to do it again, I probably wouldn't have picked that one. But all right, I'm over here in the area and I'll let you know what is next. I'm online looking for something and I got to get back closer to the house. So I am going to put my seeker to get me back. Oh my goodness. And I'll update you and let you know where I go. All right, guys, so far I'm at 150. 150. Come on, we gotta get 200. Let's see if we can get one of these rides that pay $35 to get me closer to the home. All right, I'll update you and put everything all together. So far 11 trips, and I'll update you with all the information. All right, I found the one going toward my location. I almost thought I did it. It's paying me $16, but it's getting me to where I want to go, and this will probably be my last one. All right, guys. So right now I'm at 150. So $16 put me at 175. No, not 175. 165 plus my $20 tip. 185. Man, I should really try to get 15 more bucks and make it even 2, huh? All right, I'll let y'all know. But would you have done this one? All right, guys, we can't see it. Just finished. Let me see if I can get it closer. I'm about to get it closer. So I just finished, and where's this one going to? Toward my destination? It's not going toward my destination, is it? Where am I at? Oh, I know where it's going. So I just finished, and it got me $166 today, and that was with my last trip, $15, and that's with 12 rides. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it. I'm going to call it a day. It's 5:30. So it ended up being productive day. I did take a little bit longer on my brunch, but would you have picked up these rides that I picked up? All right. Don't forget to answer. Put it in the comments. And subscribe. Let's go. All right, so I picked up one more. This was like $7, but it's going toward my location. This is probably my last one because I can only get 2. And these are the 2 that are getting me close enough, and might as well take it. All right, guys, I'll update you at the very end and let you know would you have taken this one. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that last one paid me $7.57, and that was $173 for the day plus the $20. So what's that? $193. All right, guys, $193. Man, I just need $80 more. But I think that's gonna be it. All right.